Hello guys, I am Shubham from Shubha Tutorials. In this video, we are doing deletion mapping PYQs. Okay, so let's get started with the video. And the first question for today is, this is also very simple question to solve. Okay, there is lot of information you can see in this question. But what is important is this part first of all and this table. Got it? But let's read one time. एक बार हम read करेंगे question. The following is a schematic representation of a region showing 6 bands of the polyethylene chromosome of Drosophila along with the extent of 5 deletions. Okay, 5 deletions है यहाँ पे, right? ये क्रोमोसोम का जीन रीजन है एंड जो डिलीशंस है वो हमें दिया है. Okay, now recessive alleles A, B, C, D, E, F are known to correspond to each of the bands, but the order is not known. When the recessive alleles are placed against each of these deletions, the following results are obtained. The plus in the table indicates wild type of the phenotype, while the minus indicates phenotype governed by corresponding mutant allele. Okay, plus indicates wild type and minus indicates mutant. Okay, so now let's see information क्या ढूंढना है हमें. Which one of the following indicate the current location of the recessive allele? Current location हमें find करना है on the bands of polyethylene chromosome. Okay, बहुत easy है. Let's see now. Deletion 1 में B, C and D minus है means these are mutated. So यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं deletion 1 में B, C, D होगा. Right? Then deletion 2 में again C and D common region है. So deletion 2 में again C and D होगा. Right? C and D. So what we can do, wait, हमें match the following type करना है. Right? Match the following. So 1 will be B, 2 will be C, 3 will be D. Right? Confirm हुआ? Okay. यहाँ पे भी C होगा, D होगा 2 में. Then 3 में in deletion 3 C, D as well as A. C, D, A मतलब 4 will be A. 4 will be A. Then after 4 deletion 4 में A है, D है, E है. Means after A it will be E. And then F. In the deletion 5. In the deletion 5 F होगा. So this will be the order now. So answer अभी confirm कर सकते हैं हम. From the options A से हम पता कर सकते हैं. A is 4. A is 4 in option number 3. So this will be the answer. A4, B1, C2, D3, E5 and F6. Right? Just हमें match the following करना है. Got it? I hope this is clear. Next question. The following scheme represent deletion 1 to 4 in the R2 locus of T4 from a common reference point. Okay, so यहाँ पे deletions है. 4 point mutations A to D are tested against 4 deletions for their ability or inability to give wild type recombinants. Okay, now यहाँ पे table important है. First of all 1, 2, 3, 4 deletion है and A, B, C, D are the genes, right? Mutations. Based on the above predicted order of the point mutation means we have to find the order यहाँ पे, right? Order we have to find. कैसे order find कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? We can see just minus. सबसे कम पहले किस में है? Deletion 2 में है, D में है. So D will come first. Okay, D will come first. Then this one and this one, 2 minus signs. B होगा B. Okay, D and B. Then 3 minus signs. A. And then C. So option number 2 is the answer. Okay, like this we can find from this just table से हमने order predict किया, right, with the minus signs, less to more. सबसे कम जो डिलीशन 2 में माइनस, राइट, देन 3 में, 4 में एंड देन 1 में. Okay, and that we have to correlate with this genes A, B, C, D. Now the next question, यहाँ पे भी same है, deletion and table. Okay, what we have to find? Relative order यहाँ पे find करना है of the 5 mutant genes on the chromosome. Same we can do, just see the now mutants B, C, D and mutant deletion 1 में BCD mutant means first BCD, then again CD common है 2 में, then after D E is there, after D E is there, and after E A is there. Same. So B C D E A. Option number 1. Got it? Same type of question here, deletion, and I am showing you how to find answer quickly, right? Just table से हम answer find कर सकते हैं. ओके, सेम क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे भी. सी डिलीशन 1 में BCD म्यूटेंट, राइट डाउन. अगेन सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चन ही है. देन DE, आफ्टर DE इज देयर, देन E के बाद A. ओके, एंड दैट इज इन द वन ऑप्शन ओनली, BCDEA, ऑप्शन नंबर 3. उसके बाद यहाँ पे F and G, राइट, F and G. गॉट इट? कंफर्म. सो इतने ही PYQs है अभी तक डिलीशन मैपिंग के. सो सिंपल इट इज टू फाइंड द जीन ऑर्डर. बेसिकली जीन ऑर्डर का ही है related to deletion mapping. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.